Hello friends. Today we have an Honor X6 phone being repaired. You can see the full description on the sticker. In this video we will change the speaker located on top. The speaker crackles and you can hardly hear the interlocutor. The phone was dropped in milk and after that the speaker began to work poorly. Now we will disassemble the phone and see if there is any other damage. Turn off the phone and take out the SIM card. Place it on the separator and heat the back cover to 100 degrees. The back cover is glued both around the perimeter and around the camera glass. I immediately cleared the double-sided tape to make it easier to work with the phone. As you can see, liquid has penetrated here and from above you can also see that milk has penetrated. There is a seal on the phone, which indicates that the phone has not been disassembled. We disassemble the phone and look at what's inside on the board. We may have to clean the board again. Here we have the phone flash. You can now see two contacts for it. There is also one hidden screw that holds the frame. It is black and smaller than the other screws. I see that the milk has damaged several places on the board, but this is not critical. I'll take out the board and show the damage under a microscope. I see two places. The damage is not severe. Usually when water gets in, the damage is very serious. The liquid also got onto the SIM tray. Here is the speaker we need. We will now need to get it out by preheating it with a hairdryer. Here is the speaker we need. Today we will change it. Look at the damage and stitch in several places. This is one of them. A black powder forms. There is also liquid penetration from the SIM tray side. I'll try to show you now. Almost all the contacts were flooded, and after drying a white film formed. Now I'll clean the board with isopropanol. I found the speaker from a donor. Now I'll show you what it looks like. The speaker was exactly the same size and with the same contacts. I checked it and it works perfectly. On the right is the one that stood and on the left is the speaker that I took from another phone. The sound quality is excellent, so I will install it. The phone needs to be made urgently, so there is no time to order exactly the same one. After repair, it is necessary to send the phone by a transport company to the client in another city. As a result, we have a problem with the speaker and we also need to clean the phone board. I will also disassemble the bottom part of the phone to check if milk has gotten in there, otherwise over time the phone may stop working correctly. The arrangement of contacts on the speaker is absolutely the same as on the old one. Let's take a look at the bottom part of the phone board. The lower part is held in place by 2 more black screws. Yes. And here I see that milk has penetrated. The Type-C connector itself also has damage in the form of oxides. Corrosion from the liquid has formed. It all needs to be cleaned with isopropanol. There is also corrosion in the headphone plug. We clean it and install it back. We cleaned it up and now put it back together in reverse order. The contacts of the new speaker touch the contacts of the board too weakly, so I decided to put a small spacer in the form of 2-sided tape and the speaker will not rise much. Let's remove the speaker again and compare them in thickness. Yes, I see that the original is a little thicker than the one I installed. Therefore, I will stick double-sided tape around the perimeter. It will stick better and rise the same way. I removed the gasket that was on the old speaker and glued it to the body inside the frame and also glued the tape around the perimeter of the new speaker. Look what we got. When you press on the board, the contacts match perfectly and the contacts are under pressure, which will ensure perfect engagement with each other. When I screw the cover on, it will press the speaker and everything will work perfectly. Let's collect the phone and check the speaker. Now I will try to call from this phone to my phone and check the speaker. I'll have to turn off the video recording to check, or maybe I'll use my wife's phone. Now we'll solve this issue. And so friends, let's try to call and check the speaker. Now I'm already calling. I'll say something and you listen to how it works.
Раз, раз, два, три, раз, два, раз, два, три, раз, два, раз, два, три, раз, два, раз, раз, два, три.
As you could hear, the sound was excellent at the beginning of the passage. The sound was reduced by half, then I turned the sound up to maximum and you heard the result. Now we continue to assemble the phone. First we tighten the 3 screws because we then need to put on the cover for the camera. Then tighten all the remaining screws. We have tightened all the screws and now all we have to do is glue the back cover. How to do it? You can glue it with double-sided tape or with glue. But in my experience, tape holds much worse than glue, so I will use glue. I will tape around the camera and apply glue around the frame. An interesting reaction of the glue, friends, when you apply it, it is transparent, but after a while it turns black. Perhaps this is due to the plastic on which I apply the glue. Now we seat the crumb. Where the tape is, we peck harder. Don't forget to turn off your phone so that no one calls it at night and wakes us up. I'll leave it to stick together overnight, after which the phone will be repaired. Well, friends, that's all. As you can see, everything works. Subscribe to the channel and good luck with your repairs. Who wants to support the channel? Donation link under the video.